Welcome to another video on this channel. So guys, this video is for small business owners. If you're a small business owner and maybe you are struggling to sell your products or customers are not coming and all that, but you know that the product or the service you are offering is good, this video is for you. Now, if you didn't pay attention to this video, you will not understand what I'm talking about. And this is some kind of secret that the financial experts, if they come on television, some of them don't talk about this because they belong to like political parties, and anytime they try to reveal something, it will go against them. So, or that person can be punished and all that. So that's why you have to pay attention to this video, because I figured this out and I think it's good for we the youths to know something like this. So guys, for better understanding, let's go back a little bit to like 3 months ago. So 3 months ago, $1 was almost equal to 14 Ghana cedis, which means like that time we were complaining about how fuel prices was going up. We were complaining about how the prices of food, clothes, almost everything was going up. At that time, if you are a small business, sales become a problem because like people don't have enough money to buy your products. Sometimes if you're even going to buy one tomatoes, you can get one tomatoes for 3 cedis or 4 cedis. Now the cedi is a bit stable against the dollar, so which means like sales is moving better than first. So if you are a small business and still struggling, you don't need to close down the small business you are doing, because let me give you an example. You see that now that the cedi is stable, is all from the primaries election that they are doing. You see that MPP is electing their flag bearer and NDC is also electing their flag bearers. You see, so like this is the main reason why the cedi is stable. This means that the politicians release money in the system and now they'll use this money for campaign and all that. So the dollars that they've invested and all that, they'll release some of these dollars in the system and now money will be flowing a little bit. And guess what? That's not the end, because after the election, they are going to invest more money back to wait for the main election, which is the presidential election. So this means that, you have to take a look at what is happening right now. Have you seen that because of the election, more money is in the system? So 2024 is just at the corner. So if you're having a small business, you don't need to close down your shop. You still have to hold on until this 2024. So 2024, this is where you take advantage of the election movement to, grow your business, because at that time, more money is going to be in the system. A lot of people will have money to spend because politicians will release a lot of money for their campaigns and all that. If you remember, like last 4 years or last 3 years, when the current president won, you see that some people volunteered themselves to release like the price, to reduce the price of whatever they are selling. It means that they have money. That's why they want to voluntarily like reduce the price of whatever they are selling. And that is a big sign that money will be in the system anytime there is election. So you have to capitalize on these elections and use this to grow your business. But if you close down your shop right now and the election comes in, the money will come and bypass you. So guys, just try to hold on and then wait for the election. Once the election comes in, you get more money from there, and from there your business will be stable and you know how to manage things. So guys, this is the secret that I discovered, and I think it's wise to share this with you guys. I'm not a financial expert, but this is what I've seen. We don't have to always wait for like gurus from outside and all that to come and tell us some of these things. We have to just see some of these things ourselves and use this to advise each other. So guys, the point in this video is that if you have a small business, you don't have to close down. Try and hold on until the election comes where you can get some money to pump into your business. So guys, that is it. This is my personal idea and I feel like sharing with you. So if you have some, some opinion, like as I said, just feel free to leave it behind so that we can also learn from you as well. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in my next video. And I did one video about how to sell your products fast in Ghana using my own strategy. So you can check that video out. I believe this video can be helpful to you.